Empowering women for a better tomorrow, a transformational journey in every corner of the world. Women have been the silent architects of progress, nurturing families, driving economies, and shaping societies. Yet, for centuries, their contributions have been undervalued, their potential restricted by invisible barriers. It is time to change that narrative. It is time to break the chains of limitation and pave the way for true empowerment. At SkillUp Online, Private Limited, we believe that empowerment is not just a word, it is a movement, a revolution that begins with education, awareness, and action. This is why we have designed the Empowering Women for a Better Tomorrow program, a 4-weekend learning experience that will equip women with the skills, knowledge, and confidence to lead, inspire, and transform the world around them. A call to action: why women empowerment matters. Women empowerment is more than just a slogan, it is the foundation of a progressive and just society. When women are empowered, economies grow, communities thrive, and the cycle of poverty is broken. An educated woman educates her children, a financially independent woman supports her family, and a confident woman inspires those around her. This program is designed for women who dream of making a difference, for those who wish to rise above societal barriers, and for those who refuse to accept limitations. This is not just a course. It is a movement. The Journey of Transformation. The Empowering Women for a Better Tomorrow program is a carefully structured 4-weekend course designed to take participants on a journey from awareness to action. Conducted remotely via Zoom/Google Meet, the program offers a bilingual experience in English and Urdu, ensuring accessibility for a diverse audience. Through interactive discussions, real-life case studies, expert-led sessions, and hands-on activities, this program provides women with the tools they need to become leaders, entrepreneurs, and advocates for change. Weekend 1. Laying the foundation of empowerment. The journey begins with an understanding of what women empowerment truly means. The first session explores the historical evolution of women's rights, highlighting the struggles and victories that have paved the way for modern-day progress. Participants engage in a powerful discussion on the global impact of empowered women and reflect on what empowerment means in their own lives. As the program progresses, the focus shifts to gender equality and women's rights. International frameworks like CEDAW and the UN Sustainable Development Goals (SDGs) are examined to help participants understand the legal and social structures that protect and promote women's rights. This session includes real-life case studies of women-led movements that have changed the course of history. The weekend ends with an engaging group discussion, encouraging participants to think critically about how gender equality can benefit society as a whole. Weekend 2. Breaking barriers and building resilience. No journey of empowerment is without obstacles. The second weekend dives into the barriers that hinder women's progress, addressing challenges such as cultural norms, economic dependence, political restrictions, and limited access to education. Participants analyze real-world examples of women who have defied these challenges and emerged as trailblazers. The next session focuses on education and skill development, two of the most powerful tools for self-empowerment. Women learn about vocational training, financial literacy, and digital skills that can open doors to new opportunities. A dynamic group activity encourages participants to brainstorm practical solutions for increasing education accessibility in their communities. Weekend 3. Leadership and financial independence. Empowered women are not just beneficiaries of change, they are leaders of change. The third weekend is dedicated to leadership development, where participants study the lives of iconic women leaders from history and modern times. From politics to corporate boardrooms, from grassroots activism to global diplomacy, women have been at the forefront of change. This session helps participants develop the skills and confidence to step into leadership roles themselves. Financial independence is a crucial part of empowerment. Women are often held back due to economic dependency, and this program aims to change that. In the second session of the weekend, participants learn about financial literacy, microfinance opportunities, and small business development. Practical strategies for starting a business are shared, and a hands-on activity challenges participants to create a small business plan that aligns with their skills and passions. Weekend 4, Overcoming Challenges and Becoming Advocates. The final weekend addresses one of the biggest obstacles to empowerment, gender-based violence, GBV. This session educates participants on the various forms of GBV, legal protections available, and the role of support organizations. Powerful stories of survivors showcase the resilience of women who have fought against injustice. The last session of the program shifts the focus from learning to action. Women are guided on how to become advocates for women's rights, using tools like social media activism, policy advocacy, and community engagement. Participants develop their own action plans, outlining how they will use their newfound knowledge to create positive change in their communities. The final step, certification and recognition. At the end of this life-changing journey, participants will complete a multiple-choice quiz to test their learning, present their group action plans for real-world application, receive an official certificate of participation from SkillUp Online, Private, Limited. With a certificate in hand and a heart full of determination, every woman who completes this course will walk away stronger, more confident, and ready to make an impact. An invitation to rise. This program is for women who dream of breaking barriers, for those who want to step into leadership roles, and for those who refuse to be silenced. It is for every woman who has ever been told, "You can't," and is ready to prove, "I can." If you are ready to redefine your future, to gain knowledge and skills, and to become a leader in your community, then this is your call to action. Join SkillUp Online. Register now. Mobile phone emoji, WhatsApp, plus 92,310 crore 4,41,444. Email emoji, email, info@skilluponline.online. Africa emoji, empower yourself. Empower others. Change the world.